poem I'm about to read is from a new publication entitled Disaster Matters. The poem is entitled Earthquake by Rochelle of St. Martin. Maybe she is fluent in the language of earth tremors, one she had yet to teach her daughter. We were sitting in Burger King, talking in a booth, when the earth moved. She was calm, but her daughter pushed past me, and I was confused. I thought it was a dump truck bucking into an unexpected pothole. I frantically searched for it both times. The second time, my legs locked in the rhythm. How could I forget so quickly? Nevis, I was in my aunt's arms at 2 years old when the rollicking shoved her to the frame of a door. In the arthritic stillness, she stooped to set me on my feet, but I stubbornly refused to join the dance of the earth, long after it was done. Trinidad, I was seated with my back to the door, staring at the dispersed audience in a UE lecture hall, semi-underground, when the convulsions started. The room was mad with swiveling necks, looking for a unified decision. Run, don't run to the bottleneck exit. 2 students broke away from the pack. When should we drop pride and scat? After, in the prickly silence, we confidently pretended that it didn't even happen. But she had known what it was. She is fluent in the language of earth tremors, one she has yet to teach her daughter. And in the aftermath, I was a little girl again in the upstairs apartment on Defiance Road. I was with my only black Barbie, watching the perfume bottles rattle and fall, and we clung to one another. She is fluent in the language of earth tremors, and I am fluent